Hello everyone, great to meet you again in this class. Today, we want to discuss the velocity analysis by the polygon method in the 4-bar mechanism. As usual, we have a 4-bar mechanism. The magnitude and direction of the angular velocity of the link number 2 is already known, and we want to find the omega 3 and omega 4. First, we can directly calculate the velocity at the point A, that is the omega 2 times O2A, the distance between O2 to joint A. The direction is perpendicular with O2A and direct to left because link number 2 is rotating counterclockwise. Next, pay attention to the link number 3. We can construct the velocity equation of the link number 3, that is VBA equal to VB minus VA. Note that VBA is the velocity of the joint B relative to the joint A. So, VBA at here is the relative velocity, and VB and VA here is the absolute velocity. If we change the order of the equation, we can get VB is VA plus VBA. So, this is the velocity equation for the link number 3. Let's pay attention to the velocity equation. At here, D is the direction, M is the magnitude. The direction of the VB is perpendicular with O4B, as you can see at here. And VA is perpendicular with O2A, and VBA is perpendicular with the line AB based on the first fundamental concept we learned in the previous segment. And then, we do not know the magnitude of VB. We know the magnitude of VA, that is omega 2 times O2A, but we also do not know the magnitude of VBA. To solve the equation, we can draw the vector polygon. First, we can start with the vector VA. So, this vector and also this vector is same. Then, we continue to draw the direction of VBA. Then, we continue to the direction of VB. We see that there is the intersection. From there, we can know the magnitude of VB and VBA. So, this is the vector of VBA, and then this is the vector of VB. Omega 3 and omega 4 can be calculated by this equation. The direction of omega 3 is counterclockwise, and omega 4 is counterclockwise. About this direction, you should understand that the meaning of VBA. VBA means that the joint A is the reference. So, we can assume that A at here is the center of the rotation, and the joint B at here there is the vector VBA that is going up. So, the link number 3 is rotating counterclockwise. Same method also applied in determining the direction of omega 4. This is the simple example of velocity analysis by the polygon method. In the next segment, we will do the velocity analysis in the Schrader crank mechanism. So, thank you for your attention and see you again in the next segment.